Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create shapes and lines in CapCut PC. So you can kind of change the color, I think, using the curves here. I'm just going to change it to this pink color. Go to video, go to mask, and select the shapes you want for your video. We have star, heart shape, circle, rectangle, etc., etc. Just select the one that you want. Oops. Okay. Then you're just going to go to text and add in text here, and to create the line, you're just going to add these lines here. You can change the color here as well. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.